release the dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, the boy Sinus came in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another
brand new banger.
Alright, before we get tonight peeps, as usual, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber. Anyway, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, we're gonna react to the first video now. What the hell when you so pretty much Shapa is not her husband and a taste but this up. You see? God.
Jesus Christ and a million boy! Where the bomb?
So I'm off react so. Come like a first time him see himself on a camera. You know what I'm saying? Ah boy. What kind of video this one send me?
Motherfucker just took my money. He needs some milk.
My girl outside in front of camera count money. And a man just run past. Ah good. See I have on the mask there. You should have the inside as Ding Dang did say. Ah good. Me no feel sorry for you. Stay inside. What are you doing on the road? Yeah man. You too careless.
Oh!
Gum, patay daw, gum.
Dito na pwede, ito sure sa sugduman.
Padarugan ako, gum, nyo lang nabanggit.
Ito na nga na pwede, ito na sa kada ako, bagay ang gum.
Di pwede, social distancing.
I like it. All the time they want the man come near you, social distancing. And now you see money you want run in. Karma. Man just feel up one fire. Social distancing. Nobody see my money. But like that. Think of Peru this, you know. Yo, that bad. Yo, I wonder if one day Jamaica can actually act like that.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Alright peeps, so hope you enjoy them little short video there. And I'm nothing too overboard and big today and thing, you know. But just wanted to share some little video people sent to me. I don't know, I just do my reaction to them. Yeah, some of them did funny and thing. I like the grandpa one. And the woman they were poison her husband. That and I got taste it. That coming like a Jamaican thing, a Jamaican people. Because you know when you mix up, yeah, and when we cook things, we always have and him poison himself, yeah man. Him poison himself. I like that. I like that and thing. Now that girl let me say careless with your money. But anyway peeps, hope you all enjoy the video. Comment down below and let me know what you think about everything what happened. Thanks for watching and just go and journey the boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.